For those moments that you slack off a bit, it's helpful to have someone to remind you.
Yes, correct. Dr. Aziz will know that I will slack based on the results.
Actually, I thought he would say I'll be naggy.
No.
The doctor-patient relationship is one of the most important relationships in life. Today, we speak to a doctor-patient pair to find out how a simple visit to treat a wound infection became a long-term doctor-patient bond. Kelvin, what is the most important thing that you've picked up from him?
I know what are the things that I should do being a diabetes patient. I will just do my best. Of course, sometimes I will have a little lack of discipline and I'll be a little lazy.
We try to encourage them as much as can and not berate them because the results are not so good. Because I'm not treating numbers, I'm treating a patient. It has to be in response to him. And whatever he does or not able to do.
What sorts of preventive screening do you do?
I do full body checkups like blood tests, urine tests, many other diabetes tests.
So Kelvin mentioned about going for screening, things like the feet, the eye. These are all part and parcel of managing for a patient who has diabetes. But we don't stop at that. We also take care of things like vaccinations, things like preventing influenza, other screenings, things like for colorectal cancer. I'll advise him according to his phase in life, and we try our best to empower him to carry on with own health management.
Someone who is in the early 40s and who seems well may be asking, why do I need to go for health screenings? How would you address that?
We are all in a rush. We have multiple priorities. We may be well on the exterior, but we don't really know what's going on inside. And that's when health screening would be useful. But that's not the only point. The point is getting that contact with a physician to have that health literacy moment, things that we can address early on. Maybe change a bit of your lifestyle. Less bubble tea may prevent a lot more problems down the road.
Well, I've learned that preventive health screenings are important and you are never too young to get started on that. So take charge of your health today.